Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Tonight for dinner I'm making gyudon. This is a Japanese style beef bowl. I think it is the first time I'm making Japanese food on my channel, so super excited. Need a couple things. Your basic ingredients are going to be beef and onion. I am using beef thinly sliced already, purchased from my local Asian grocery store. But if you buy one from the regular supermarket, to help you cut it easier, stick it in the freezer for about 40 minutes and cut against the grain. Cooking base is also very straightforward. Need dashi, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Mirin is Japanese rice cooking wine. Dashi is like a base stock or broth, very basic form of which I will be making here in a minute, you will see. And the rest of it I will actually use for side of miso soup. With that, let's get started. For a basic dashi, I have just 2 cups of water and this dry seaweed. I use Korean tashima, but you can easily obtain kombu, Japanese kombu, in regular grocery store. I like to use for 1 cup, like a palm size. Then this onion, I'm going to use green parts for the garnish in the end, but this white part goes into dashi. Nice and thinly sliced for the end. So now, just bring it to boil, turn the heat down to low and simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, our basic dashi is done. At which point you can go ahead and discard of kelp and onions. Set it aside. Let's now prepare the meat and the onion. The meat I have is 3/4 pound beef slices, really thin. Use a half onion. Now thinly slice. So there you go. So that's the thickness I like. Flip the board for the meat side. I want some longer strips of the meat in my dish. Nice. So now wash everything very well. I'll be right back. So to the pan goes half cup this dashi we made, or whatever stock you decide to choose. Sake, 1 tablespoon. Regular soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. That's 1, 2. Mirin, 2 tablespoons. Give this a little mix and go on a high heat. So this should come to boil relatively quickly. Go in with an onion, break them apart. Cover with lid. Let's go for like a minute or 2. Alright. Go in with the meat. Let it come up to a boil. I'm gonna cover and simmer. So I'm about 5 minutes in. Wow. That smells fantastic. So of course the meat is ready. It's really thin. Onions are soft. However, to help out with the color, I'm going to cheat a little bit. Dark soy sauce to the rescue. A little bit goes a long way. Dark soy sauce has no saltiness added, but look at what the difference it made with the color. Make room in the center here. Heat to high. Crack an egg right in the center. Cover till the egg is done. That's perfect. Now, with the rest of the dashi that we have remaining, what I've got here is miso paste, just a tablespoon. I went ahead and reheated dashi so that it's just about to boil, but not boiling. And all you gotta do now is dissolve this paste. Beautiful miso soup. Done. Now get yourself a bowl of rice, and the center part with an egg, start with that. Take these beautiful scallions we have and apply. I have some red ginger, pickled ginger. Ichimitagarashi is a red pepper. Take rest of the scallions and into the soup. This, my friends, is your easy Japanese style dinner. I'll start with the miso soup, give it a quick mix. The reason that you don't want to add boiling water to miso paste is because it will kill the good bacteria in the miso paste. Here we go. That's delicious. The star of the show, take the yolk and break it and mix everything together. Super excited for this. It is super delicious, so good, so comforting. That pickled ginger, just like pickled vegetables on anything, you know, it creates nice contrast to texture and gives your mouth a little bit of a refresh, you know, between bites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I wish you nothing but the best. See you next time.